What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. The Unreal Engine 5.2 demo was released for free yesterday, so let's check it out. Just look at this beauty. As you may know, the main aim of this demo is to showcase the new procedural content generation framework and the new substrate material, and of course all the new Unreal Engine 5.2 features. And literally, you have everything as it is shown in the GDC. So you will have the whole level that they showcased. Therefore, you can move things around, as for example, I could just drag this PCG blueprint and start changing how the forest looks and so on. Now I have to say that it is very heavy. I literally could not manage to install it in my own hard drive. It is more than 50 gigs, and yes, I need to, buy a new PC too, but it is huge. So, just be gentle with that. So as you have all the blueprints, you can just open them up and see how they're built, so you can learn a lot from them and just play around, especially with PCG and substrate. And of course, you will have the whole forest assets. Now I believe that this is a combination of many megascans assets and so on, but you have them all mounted already in one level, ready to be used, so definitely that's a plus. And the quality of these assets is unbelievable. Like, there's so many triangles in the level. I literally was shocked when I saw this. And again, this can be a perfect opportunity to learn PCG and substrate, especially substrate is pretty complex, so definitely this will be very handy for you guys. So that's it. You can download it for free through the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. Get many benefits through my Patreon and YouTube members and join my Discord server. With all that said, bye bye.